Welcome to onestopapp.nola.gov. Before you can apply, pay, or renew permits and licenses, you will first need to register an account with the One Stop app. In the top right corner, click the yellow Register button. If you have a registration code, you can enter it at this time. If you are not provided a registration code, you can click Skip to continue your registration. On the left-hand side, you will see three sections. Clicking these will take you to that section of the registration. First is account information, then contact information. Last is contractor registration. Our contractor registration portal is still in development. You can disregard this section for the time being. Let's begin. Under account information, set the username for this account. This username cannot be changed once set. Then, set a password for your account. Passwords are required to be a minimum of 8 characters in length, including at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one special character, and one numeric character. Next, provide your email address. The email address can only be used for one account on this site. Confirm your email address in the following box. Section 2 is contact information. When submitting applications, you will need to supply contact information. If you are registering on behalf of a business, check the box labeled I am registering on behalf of a business. Checking this box will change full name to business name. Enter your full name or business name. Please note, once you set a name for your One Stop app account, you will not be able to change or update the name. Please make sure the name you set for your account is accurate. Then, enter your mailing address, including city, state, and zip code. Provide a phone number for your account. This will be the contact number for city staff members to reach you. Designate the type of phone number, either a work number, home number, or mobile number. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking the box I'm not a robot. Once you get a green check mark, click Register. Invalid password. This error means the password entered does not meet the One Stop app password requirements. Please enter a new password and attempt the registration again. The password and confirmation password do not match. This means what was typed into password and confirm password were not the same. You will need to re-enter the password and confirm password and submit your registration again. Duplicate email. This means that the email address you submitted is already registered to a One Stop app web account. Please reach out to the One Stop app team at onestopapp@nola.gov for assistance. Duplicate username. Usernames in the One Stop app can only be used once. This error means the username you chose is already in use. Please choose a different username. After your registration is successful, you will be prompted to verify your account. You will receive an email from noreply@nola.gov with a verification link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. If you do not receive a verification email, you can resend it using the Resend Verification Email button on the homepage. Now that you have a One Stop app web account, you can apply for permits and licenses online. If you have any issues registering your account, please contact the One Stop app team at onestopapp@nola.gov.